Live with Roy Robertson from Lexus Carlsbad.
Lexus Carlsbad is making history in Southern California as one of the very first dealerships in the United States celebrating its 30th anniversary. We celebrate today with Rick Bilgren, who's the general manager. Rick, we're going to talk about L-certified Lexuses. Give us the overview as to what L-certified means.
L-certified is a vehicle that we go through a 161-point inspection. It comes with 4 free maintenances and 6-year unlimited mile warranty.
Okay, so let's talk about that. 6 years unlimited mileage warranty. Right?
Right. So you can go for up to 6 years. If anything goes wrong, powertrain, electrical, so forth, you can bring it on in. It will be repaired up to 6 years unlimited. And you bring the vehicle in, you get a loaner car, your car will get washed, you have free car washes. And coming on Saturday, we have our omelets.
Excuse me, you have what?
Omelets on Saturdays.
Yeah, we saw that a little bit earlier, the omelet station that's over by the service department. So you come in and get serviced. So let's talk about the mileage on this, because when people think buying pre-owned, there might be a lot of mileage. This one, couple thousand miles.
Yes, this is an LS 500. It's got 2,500 miles. And LSs can go range from 100,000 miles, $100,000, excuse me, and this one's only $67,000.
It's a 2018, so just calculate those savings and just think about how much you will save and the value of this L-certified program that gives you this 6-year unlimited mileage warranty. It's at Lexus Carlsbad, celebrating 30 years on Paseo Del Norte off I-5, and also online at lexuscarlsbad.com.